everyone's okay. This is Poonam here and welcome to my channel Senses. आज जो मैं बनाने जा रही हूँ, that's probably everyone's favorite, especially people coming from Maharashtra, Bombay, Pune, Gujarat. Kutch? Any hint? Am I giving you there? Well, आज जो मैं बनाने जा रही हूँ, it's going to be Kacchi Dabeli. So Kacchi Dabeli, as the name comes, it is originating from the state of Gujarat, from a region called as Kutch. It's an absolutely delicious, mouth-watering, absolutely great dish to make. आपको आज एक रेसिपी के साथ दो का मज़ा मिलेगा because I'm going to also teach you step by step how to make your own dabeli masala. At home, you have got all, I'm pretty sure, ingredients at home in your kitchen cupboard. You don't have to buy anything from outside. Make the masala in an airtight container and you can use it whenever you need it. So, without any delay, let's start making it. The ingredients for the dabeli masalas are these, which are, I'm very sure, easily available in your kitchen. You'll need some peppercorns or even black pepper powder if you have some. You'll need some cumin seeds or jeera. You'll need good quality and good quantity of coriander powder or coriander seeds. You'll need some bay leaves, cinnamon stick, few cardamoms, fennel seeds or SAUNF, and also some cloves. The reason I've divided these masalas are we're going to roast these masalas first, and then in the same pan we're going to roast these ones, which are sesame seed or tel, some dried red chilies, again any quality you have, and some dried desiccated coconut, which is cobra also called. You're going to roast these separately. Finally, you're going to mix them all, really mix them all. Add some black salt in it, followed by some red chili powder. Mix them all well together, grind them in a grinder really smooth, and then finally you're going to add some little bit of oil and some sugar, and the end product, which I made yesterday, looks something like this. It's going to be absolutely smelling amazing. You can store this mixture good for a month and use it as and when necessary. So let's start making our Kacchi Dabeli. Okay, for the next step, literally all you need is 4 ingredients. Obviously, the very important potatoes. Now, the way I like to do my potatoes is steam them up. So I have no water and they're nice and soft, which I'm going to mash in the oil. You'll need some oil, which my oil is nice and ready. You'll need some homemade your dabeli masala, which we made, which we're going to add it. And some tamarind chutney, which you can even easily make at home or from ready-made outside, and added some warm water in it. So let's start beginning. Next goes, I've mashed up all my potatoes. Next goes all of the potatoes and stir it really well. The mixture is all ready. Let's dish it up now. Okay, so my mixture is ready and it's nicely cooled down. I'm going to add 3 more things in it, which is some pomegranate seeds or anar, fresh anar, some fresh coriander, the more the better, and some peanuts. Now, peanuts can be honey roasted, they can be chili depending on your taste, but if you have allergy, you don't have to. You can completely skip this. But I'm going to put it and just mix it well. To garnish and to serve the Kacchi Dabeli, how it is authentically served, you'll need all this. This is our masala, which we prepared. You'll need some pav or bun, any burger buns if you get it. You need some nice green chutney, coriander, mint, whatever you have herbs at home. You need some pomegranate for garnishing, some imli chutney or tamarind chutney, onion, again if you don't want it you don't have to, some fine nylon save or any save would do, and some finely chopped coriander. So let's begin. just taken out a little bit of the Dabeli mixture outside so that my save sticks from all sides really well. So this is how we are going to stick it. Just roll it, roll it, roll it. See how beautifully it's sticking to all the sides really nicely. And that's about it.